RJ Naina from Radio Olive 106.3 FM, Qatar's #1 Hindi radio station, also the first ISO certified one. And today we are here at Al Khor Safari Hypermarket. Now I have just removed this after I have gotten completely examined, thermal screening plus my Ehtaraz app, and now that we are socially distant, we are here at Al Khor at Safari Hypermarket for the first year celebration, the first 1 year celebration of Al Khor Safari Hypermarket. Now here there are amazing offers that are going to be here for you, especially from 19th November to 21st of November. So you have 3 days to make sure that you can grab whatever you want. Now all the things that you want to choose, all the offers, I'm going to take you to them, so keep watching the video. So we are right now at Safari Hypermarket Al Khor and celebrating the first anniversary here. They have exclusive offers from 19th November to 21st of November, and I have a special magic that I want to show you. So see, the magic is really simple, but this will not just entertain you, it will benefit you as well. See, right now the Rozana Basmati rice for 5 kg is at 27.50 Qatari Riyal. Now through magic, ta-da! This time when you come for the anniversary celebration, the exclusive offer makes Rozana Basmati rice 5 kg for you at exclusively 17.75 Qatari Riyal. So the first year celebration for Safari Hypermarket Al Khor is going on, and the exclusive offers are on anything and everything. For example, I have been told that sugar 5 kg used to be 12 Qatari Riyals, but right now it is 7 Qatari Riyals just for you between 19th November to 21st November, and Masoor dal, which is 2 kgs, was for 10 Qatari Riyals, is now for 5 Qatari Riyals only. So I am roaming around in all of Safari at Al Khor to make sure I bring you the best of all the offers. And right now I'm at the fresh fruits and vegetables section all around. And believe me, there's some amazing offers here for you that you just cannot miss. Walking all around in Safari Hypermarket, I am right now at one of my favorite sections, which is bakery and hot food, and I cannot wait to try some amazing things right here. For now, I've tried the chocolate chip cookie, but there are a lot more options available for you, which are all at exclusive price right here. So don't miss between 19th to 21st of November. So see, it's Safari Hypermarket Al Khor's first celebration, and it isn't complete without chocolates, and definitely so is the discount. So right now the offer which I have seen is for quality street gold, and here I've been told initially it was for 44 Qatari Riyals, but right now it is for 25 Qatari Riyals, and definitely something to celebrate. So anniversary celebrations are going everywhere here in Safari Hypermarket, and this is the Royal Thai Premium Jasmine Rice, which was initially for 20 Qatari Riyals, but now after the discount, after the offer, it comes to 9 Qatari Riyals for 5 kg. So this is Chef's French fries for 2.5 kgs, and it's just for 6.50 Qatari Riyals. So this 200 gram pack of Nescafe coffee was initially for 26.50, and now under the anniversary offer it's for 13.75 only. So we've seen all the offers that are there in the food section, but now to the cosmetics section, and the first one is my favorite, which is perfume. So there is Supple Solid 100 ml Deo as well as the perfume, which was initially for 46 Qatari Riyals but is now for just 35 Qatari Riyals. It's exclusive offers all across Safari Hypermarket in Al Khor, and I'll reveal 2 more. See, this one is supposed to be 13 Qatari Riyals for Enchanter Soap Assorted, but imagine 6 pieces for just 9 Qatari Riyals. But not just this, there's one more. This is 4 pieces of Colgate toothpaste for 15, but after the offer, it becomes 10 Qatari Riyals. Loads of offers that are going on here at Safari Hypermarket Al Khor, and the one that I discovered for you, there are 2 reasons. Firstly, see, Omo Top Load detergent 2.5 kgs was for 23.25 Qatari Riyals, and after the offer, it is just for 13 Qatari Riyals. And not only that, if you buy 20 Qatari Riyals worth of product, then you get a chance to win Safari vouchers worth 60,000 Qatari Riyals, And not just Omo, but a lot many products along with that. So we have completely covered the food section, the cosmetics section, and now towards the electronics section. So this is Akai 50-inch 4K UHD LED Smart TV, which was initially for 1099 Qatari Riyals, and now after the anniversary offer, it is at 699 Qatari Riyals only. See, you cannot get any microwave oven for less than 100 Qatari Riyals, right? But at Safari Hypermarket's exclusive anniversary offer, you will get Super General oven of 20 liters for just 99 Qatari Riyals. That's below 100 Qatari Riyals. Imagine. So this is a price worth capturing. Initially, the price for this Canon DSLR camera was 1399, but after Safari Hypermarket's first anniversary celebration, you're going to have it for just 899 Qatari Riyals. If you are in love with electronics, then Safari Hypermarket's first anniversary celebration you just cannot miss, because this Motorola Pulse Max wired headphone was initially for 89 Qatari Riyals, and now between 19th to 21st November you'll get it for 59 Qatari Riyals. So first anniversary exclusive offer is available on all household items like this one, and finally this one. See, I believe that when you travel, you should always travel stylish, and what can be more stylish than American Tourister, and at a discount, I think it's the best style that you can ever get. So we have American Tourister, Jackson Spinner Trolley and Igloo lunch bag all in a combo of just 129 Qatari Riyals at Safari Hypermarket Al Khor. See, for me, winters is all about being cozy, cozy blankets and cozy pillowcases. So for that, Safari Hypermarket has for you Sonia Gold Box Double Blanket 2-ply, which is assorted specially for you, and it's just for 159 Qatari Riyals. And here there are a lot of promotions going on, and right now there's one special exclusive promotion going on where you will get up to 50% off on all garments, footwear and ladies bags. And not just this, just look at the collection, find your favorites, and also there is winter wear that has come in right here, which I believe right now you should definitely buy, and you can go to any Safari outlet and get these discounts. Safari is all about world-class shopping experience, and in this time of COVID, I think they are also right now about world-class winning vouchers and winning gifts. So right now, the one thing that is happening right now is that, as different promotions are coming in, especially in this COVID times, it's very difficult to, win so many things. And right now, Safari is making sure that you guys definitely feel like winners. So if you go and shop at any Safari outlet for 50 Qatari Riyals, you have the chance to win 25 Nissan Sunny cars. Now there will be 5 different draws, and each lucky draw has 5 winners. So make sure that you do participate on any of the Safari outlets. So Safari has a history of bringing world-class shopping experience to Qatar, and also they have a history of bringing world-class prizes for every single person who visits them. So for example, in 2005, for the first time when Safari opened up at Salwa Road, they gave out 1 kg gold to a lucky winner who visited their store. In 2010, for the first time ever in the retail industry, Safari, when it opened up in Abu Hamur, it made sure that it gave out 1 million Qatari Riyal as first prize for shopping. In 2019, when Safari Hypermarket in Al Khor opened up, they gave out Lexus SUV car to a lucky visitor, and also they gave out 20 Toyota Corollas for the people who came and visited here. Now all of these things are available again for all the people who are living in Al Khor because of the first anniversary of Safari Hypermarket. Make sure that you do visit between 19th to 21st of November and take all the advantage of all these anniversary offers. With that, this is me, Naina, signing off, and I hope you guys have a great world-class shopping experience with Safari. Jio Bindas.